Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna have a look to new Chanel holiday collection. So I bought two pieces from Chanel holiday collection, and in particular one is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the palette by Chanel, and here is the highlighter duo. How detailed it is, so pretty. I want to say that I've tried this makeup, so now I'm wearing the makeup look you can see in the second part of the video. For the lips, I didn't purchase any Chanel lipstick this year, but it's a combination from Lisa Eldridge lipsticks. I watched the promo images from Chanel and I saw these red lips with a little bit of contouring also. So we have this duo on the lips, deep brick red and a true red, and this is the effect. So let's introduce the Chanel holiday collection. It's almost based on golden tones and inspired to the Roaring 20s. So you can see this beautiful, elegant makeup look with elongated graphic eye on beautiful Vittoria Cerretti, our beautiful Italian model, role model of Chanel Beauty. A great elongated eye look and this very bold red lips. So my intention was to recreate a similar look. I think that this look is very graphic. It's named also Intense Look because it really is. You can see she wears golden tones, warm golden tones, and this black eyeshadow, and I think that combined to red lips creates a very deep contrast. So my intention, was to recreate something closer, so using not all the shades but as much as possible. So about the highlighters, many of you told me it has some glitters, and it has. It is glittery. I thought it was with a satin effect and almost with micro glitters, so it's not very close to the previous Chanel highlighters. And yeah, you need to be glitter lovers. I don't mind because they are very subtle, but you have to use them here, not too close to the eyes, otherwise you can emphasize fine lines. So it really depends also by your age, by your habits about makeup. I don't mind. It has these two shades. It has this warm pink rose gold shade and this white platinum shade. And in particular, the rose golden shade gives you a little bit of colors also. I used underneath this blush by Chanel, and yeah, I love the whole makeup look, how it turned out. But if you're interested in the creation of the makeup look and the swatches of the palette and the highlighter, please follow the second part of the video. So let's see the swatches of this beautiful eyeshadow palette. This is a very white platinum shade, very cool, so pretty, so luminous. It looks like the Symbols highlighter that I skipped. Let's move to this one. It's supposed to be a sort of warm gold, a rosy warm gold tone. You see, it's very subtle, very luminous. Then let's see this black I hope you can detect the micro sparkles in it. They're very gentle silver micro sparkles. You can see it. I think the camera catches them. Let's see this color now. Have a look. So pretty. Golden shade. And this shade. So the scale of colors is very beautiful. Quite a basic palette in a way, but with a spectacular twist, a luminous twist. Okay, so let's see the highlighter now, and let's see this part. So it's quite invisible in a way. Let's see the other shade, and that's it. So a little bit more rosy than the eyeshadow, that near it's a true gold. Instead, this one is more pinkish. So I want to start with this tone, and I use the sponge applicator, and I apply it all over the eyelid. So it's a very subtle shade. You see bare eyelid and the tone applied. Now I want to take the black shade and just to see how intense it is. So you see, it's not a very intense black, but it really blends well with this shade. So you can really work it well. Okay, so you can take inspiration from the Chanel eye look, but I know it's a very intense eye look to wear, so I try to manage it a little bit to create something that's more suitable for me. Lisa Aldridge Black Treacle. Okay, you need to intensify a bit if you want to create this black elongated eye look. I think I would blend it a bit to soften everything. But yes, you have to build it up, this black, so it's not a particular matte black shades. So now, before applying highlighter, let's choose the lipstick by Lisa Aldridge. I thought to wear velvet jets and velvet ribbon together, so I have to find them. I put before a ribbon, in the center, velvet jets, door, I love velvet ribbon and I love velvet gel. Together, I love them. Now it's time for the highlighter powder. So now I want to apply a little bit of blush. I want to apply just a touch of this one. I think it could match this look. Okay, now it's time for the highlighter. So I want to use this firstly. Oh, but it has some color in it, you see. Okay, so it has some golden, you see, some golden tones on this one. It has shimmers, but I don't mind. I use this white, lots of shimmer. You want to obtain a very matte deep black, you see. So you will obtain something that has a bit of transparency in it, and it's very buildable, and it's also very blendable. I mean, you see, it's not a very deep, harsh effect, but something a little bit blurry, and it's nice, in my opinion. So, but once you apply it, it seems that you don't have it enough, and that's what I mean. So also other shades like this and this one have subtle micro sparkles. Particularly this one is very frosty and I love it. I use it here in the corner of the eyes. I hope you enjoyed the look and let me hear your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye!